Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the TREBLAB HD7. This 12-watt speaker has 2 subwoofers, it's also waterproof, and has 25 hours of battery life. All for around $50 on Amazon, but you can get 15% off if you use the promo code GGadgets15 before November 2019. So check the link in the description to find the promo code and also prices. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. So it comes in a nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. Real quick while I'm getting this open, just want to thank TREBLAB for sending me the speaker so I could test it out. Thank you very much. So it looks like we have the actual speaker right here. It's a little bit smaller than I thought it would be. Pretty nice, makes it more portable. Looks like we have a box containing some accessories. We'll see what's in there. All right, first thing we have is a little strap. It does have a nice TREBLAB logo on it. I always like these because then you can kind of hook them to your backpack or something like that. Then we have a charging cable that is micro USB to standard USB. An auxiliary cable that is 3.5 millimeters. So you can actually plug things into the speaker, such as maybe an older cell phone or something like that, and then play the music from the cell phone in the speaker. We have a carabiner and then a user's manual. All right, so taking a closer look at the HD7 right here, this actually looks really cool. Around this entire body right here, you have a really nice speaker grill. Has a really nice material to it, kind of a nice texture. I don't know if you can hear that. Really cool looking TREBLAB logo that does have a little bit of shininess to it. Has a nice texture to it as well. And then you have 4 buttons right here, and they do stand out. You can kind of see them sticking above. Looks like we have a power button, a plus and a minus button. So these will be used for controlling the track and the volume. And then you have a play button, and that'll pause and play the audio, and then also hang up and answer phone calls. It has a really nice weight to it. So like I said, you have the speaker grill going all the way around until you get to this section right here. So at the top, we have a little area where you can clip in the carabiner, or you can tie the strap right there. And then we have what looks like to be a mounting area for a tripod. So it's going to be 1/4 inch. So as you can see right here, I'll just connect it to my tripod right here, and then it's mounted to the tripod. That's pretty cool. I've never actually seen a speaker that has anything like that. Very cool. Also located in this area is a little flap that we can open up to reveal the auxiliary port in. So this is where you would plug this auxiliary cable right here to get audio into the speaker. Connector feels pretty good. And then we also have the charging connector that is micro USB. So you simply just plug the charging cable in right here. Feels very good. And then you would plug the other side into a wall adapter, or power bank, something like that to charge it. All the connectors here feel great, and then they're also going to be waterproof. All you need to do is just reseal the connectors with the little gasket, so that's very nice. And it actually is really easy to seal and then reopen up. It's pretty cool. On the 2 ends right here, we have these really nice TREBLAB logos. As you can see, they're kind of shiny. They do have a nice texture to them. Really high quality feeling, nice metal to them. This is actually going to be the subwoofer right here, so as you can see when I'm pushing it, may not want to do too much of that because it's actually pushing the speaker back. So I'm really excited to see how these subwoofers sound. Around the speaker grill right here on the side, so you have this like kind of material. This is all a very, very thick feeling plastic, very protective feeling. So I think if you dropped it like this, you're not going to have any issues with it breaking the speaker. It also sticks out a little bit so that you can lay it down flat and the sound can still get out. So, all right, so now that we've taken a closer look at the TREBLAB HD7 wireless Bluetooth speaker, let's go ahead and get it turned on and then paired with my phone. All right, so we'll turn on the HD7 Bluetooth speaker by simply holding down the power button. We want to continue to hold the power button until it says it's pairing.
Pairing.
And then you'll see the blue LED right there blinking. It comes up on my phone as TREBLAB HD7. And we're connected. As you can see, it came with 80% battery life. So I currently have the TREBLAB HD7 paired with my computer, and it actually has a built-in microphone, so all the audio you're hearing is coming from the microphone located on the HD7. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what the microphone will sound like if you're going to be placing calls with this device. All right, so I have some music pulled up on my phone. This is Mr. Sensei from SoundCloud. I'll link to him in the description. But so far through my testing of the TREBLAB HD7, I have to say very impressed with the speaker quality. It gets very loud, it's also very clear, and the bass comes through nice and strong, but it's not overpowering at all. As you can see, the audio comes out evenly. Doesn't really matter where I point it. There is a little bit of a dead spot from the back right here where there is no speaker, but it's pretty close to the 360 degrees of sound that they advertise. It's very easy to control the volume through the buttons here. It's a short press for volume and the long press for track. The buttons on the speaker actually control the volume on the speaker. They don't control the Bluetooth device that you're connected to, so it's not going to turn up the volume on your phone. This is an internal volume for the speaker. And then as you can see right here, if I long press the plus button, it'll change the track. So very responsive right there. And the buttons are really easy to find, so I really like how they stick up. And then if you hit them, you really get some feedback with the buttons, so you really know if they were actually hit all the way, which is nice. So now I'm going to test how waterproof the HD7 is. I have it sitting in a bowl. I have a jar full of water, so I'm just going to pour it all over the speaker. See if it changes the sound of the music. Spray it in the subwoofers here. So unlike other Bluetooth speakers I've tested that say they're waterproof, this did not get affected by the water at all. It didn't change the sound of the music at all, and it also did not affect the speaker in a negative way. So that's awesome. Alright, so as you just saw there, the HD7 is indeed waterproof. No issues at all with the speaker getting wet, and it actually looks really cool with the subwoofers kind of bouncing the water off of them. So that was awesome right there. Very happy with that. The sound quality of the TREBLAB HD7 is also very high quality. I was actually surprised with how good the subwoofers sound, and then the highs and the mids come through very clearly with no tinniness at all. So I'm really happy with how balanced the sound was. When it comes to Bluetooth, I found that it's very easy to get this in pairing mode and then connect it. It comes up on your phone very quickly. The Bluetooth range is around 33 feet, so that's pretty standard for a device like this. And also the tones that are played when you connect it or turn it on or put it in pairing mode are not harsh at all, so no issues there. Usually it can be a very loud tone, but I found it to be very gentle and not harsh at all. The HD7 also has very high build quality. Like I said before, you have these nice plastic rings around the edge of the speakers, which gives it some grip when it's sitting on a table like this, or it also protects it from falls. The speaker just feels very tough. There's nothing loose on it at all, and it also has a really nice weight to it. It just feels sturdy. Another thing with the auxiliary port here, I found that that worked great. I actually used that on an older phone that had a headphone jack, and I had no issues with the sound quality coming through. It was just like the Bluetooth connection. So that was the TREBLAB HD7. If you have any questions about the HD7, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.